The Labor Department has summoned Coach Tab Baldwin. He's the head coach of the Ateneo men's basketball team. And he is being summoned to present proof of a valid alien employment permit. This as questions remain. Marami pa rin tanong doon sa pagkamatay nila Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili. Many also question Coach Tab's absence from the public eye and also honestly Ateneo's silence in this tragic incident. It's been 3 days mula nung nangyari yung trahedya at dahil dito hindi pa rin natitigil ang spekulasyon doon sa kung ano talaga ang nangyari. Ang sabi ng ina ni Rene Baterbonia, hindi sapat ang nakuha niyang explanation from the team kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari that fateful day nung nalunod yung dalawang student athletes. At dahil dito sa bootcamp na ito in Aurora, yung training ng mga student athletes ay hindi na nakauwing buhay ang kanyang anak. So, ang mga tanong includes what safeguards were in place, may mga pagkukulang ba? At sino ba ang mananagot? May dapat bang managot? At dapat bang patawan ng sanctions ang Ateneo coaching staff dahil sa pagkamatay ni Baterbonia at ni Adili. Sa press con kahapon ng kanyang ina, nakita daw niya ang mga pasa sa leeg, likod, kamay at paa ng kanyang anak. This despite the initial report of the Aurora PNP saying that wala daw foul play. So again, ang hinihingi lang siguro ng pamilya at lahat na rin because this has become a national issue. Hinihingi lang ng publiko ang transparency at sana genuine support and assistance sa pamilya ng mga namatayan. At siguro yung sporting bodies, yung sporting bodies actually are also pushing for a closer review of training programs for the student athletes and yung mga safety protocols. Apparently, hindi pala bago ito sa Ateneo, matagal na silang may bootcamp. So, kailangan din silipin itong practice na ito, even for other colleges and universities. So, this tragic loss of talent, the loss of promising athletes, ay hindi na mauulit. Again, on the Dole show cause order for Coach Tab sa Monday daw, June 15, dapat magpakita si Coach Tab ng kanyang AEP status. 10 years na siyang head coach ng Blue Eagles and he's also the head of the Gilas Pilipinas Youth National Basketball Program. Stay tuned to the Billionaire News Channel.